Hello all, good afternoon. As we all know that belly rules the mind and good food brings people all together. With that pretty lines of quotes, I welcome you all to this virtual event of food decoration. A great welcome to to uh, to judges panel, that is Dipti ma'am and Meera ma'am, who took time in their busy schedule and attended this event. Food is a very vital part of our life, and we are often advised by our parents to have healthy food rather than junk food. Don't worry, this isn't a science class, but we all know that taste of food always gains in front of health. There are many hidden chefs in our college who can show their talent in variety of competitions, but this time it's gonna be something different. We all know that taste matters, but sometimes we are just so impressed by presentation and creativity that taste also isn't matter to us most. That's what exactly we are gonna do in this virtual event, and we are going to give chance to all the participants to showcase their creativity and skills. First impression is last impression, and that's all matters to the end. So now I request all judges and participants to pin Siddhesh's presentation screen so that we can see each and every participant's food decoration video and picture as well. First participant is Prachi Bagul. This is the final picture. Our- This is our first participant. So she has basically used potatoes, and the potatoes are then fried in the pan. And this is the final picture which has been displayed here. So Prachi, can you give a Prachi, can you give a brief introduction about what you have prepared and how you have done? Prachi Tare.
Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Prachi Bhaskar. We have prepared a Easter egg. Firstly we boil the potatoes, then mash it, then added uh, salt, black pepper, uh, spicy masalas. Then then prepare it. Then add then maida and cornflour. Add the and then what then add the water. Then we has uh, made a uh, thin. He- then we this potato mash prepare a next. Then we then this deep the this mesh, and for crush. Then shave crush this crush deep in oil and fry it. Then pudina has to take on there, and potato which potato has boiled. This potato make a small balls and take on there.
So
Thank
thank you, Prachi, for this introduction about your food decoration dish. So I believe that this was a delicious dish, and it was very amazing to see also. I
thank
So moving on to our next participant. Our next participant is Sakshi Bagul, and I request Sakshi to give brief introduction or some information about what she has prepared and how she has done it. So please, Sakshi, can you give the introduction?
Thank you, Yash. Actually, I have made the pasta, French fries, and a cold coffee.
So Siddesh, can we play the video first and then we are about. So this is a picture of our final dish. And Sakshi, I believe that you have joined. So can you give brief introduction about the ingredients and everything?
Just boiled the pasta, and I added vegetables like onion, capsicum, and corn. I just fried and added the ingredient like mayonnaise, tomato ketchup, and pasta sauce in it. Added a garam masala also for the taste, like Indian. Um After that, I added a pasta also in that, and for the decoration, added the coriander leaves and the cheese on it. That's it. And for the cold coffee, I have just make the coffee like that and just mix it on the mixture. That's it.
Okay, thank you, Sakshi. The preparation process of this food dish was very interesting.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's it for our second participant. Now, moving further, I think this competition is gonna be nail biting as each and every participant has put his or her 100% efforts in that. So, moving to next participant, we have now Ashlesha Patil. So, I request Ashlesha to give a brief introduction about what she has prepared and how she has done it.
Hello,
Yes,
am I audible?
yes, yes.
Huh. So, I would like to start. As this was a food decoration competition, I decided to take raw materials, and using that raw materials, I decided to decorate whatever I wanted to make. So, as I'm an animal lover, I wanted to make a dog and a cat. So, using raw materials like bread, uh, then I boiled eggs. Using all that, I made a dog and a cat.
Wow, that's interesting. Now let's see how she has done it. Siddesh, please start. That's something unique which I have seen first time in my entire life. That was very beautiful work.
Thank you so much.
That was really a nice piece, and I believe that it must have taken a lot of time. Ashlesha, am right? Am I right?
Yeah. Actually, first of all, even I thought the same of cooking something, and but then I thought like, no, it's a food decoration competition. So I have to decorate my food. Means the decoration part is more important rather than cooking. So I thought of this. I came up with this idea.
Yes, yes. That was very good of you making such dish. It looks really delicious. Thank you.
Thank you.
So moving on to our next participant. Our next participant is Sakshi Dhanavde, and I request Sakshi to share her experience of how she had done or how she thought of this dish. So Sakshi, meet is over to you. So I think this
Nice
is the final
presentation.
outcome.
Really nice presentation.
Yes, yes. There
Yes,
are variety of
decoration.
colors used
Yeah.
in it. So Sakshi, are you there? Would you like to give some introduction or tell us about your food decoration experience?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you. Just tell something about how you came up with this idea and how you decorated so nicely.
These I made the healthy dosas using spinach leaves and beetroot and normal or white dosa. Then for decorating also I use and the onion and the onion petals also that make I used to make flowers and I serve it
Okay, that was a very nice idea you came up with, and it is very nicely decorated also. So, moving on to our next participant, we have Aboli Bhor. So, Aboli, would you, can you give can you give introduction about your how you made or how you came up with the idea?
Yes, I made a utappas. I'm just made a decorating video because it is a food decoration competition. Just I'm decorated with salads and different colors of salads. Thank you.
Okay, so let's see the video. Wow, that looks very delicious. That was very that was very nice, Aboli. Thank you so much. So now, last but not least, we are moving to our next participant, who is Krunali Patil. So Krunali, can you give brief introduction how you thought of making this food decoration, or how much time did you take for the same?
Hello,
Yes,
am I audible?
yes.
I made the katoris of maida and then made this chaat. I forget some ingredients, but still, and I made some leaves of gajar, that is carrot, and you can see the
Okay, so Siddesh, please start the video.
Hello, good evening, respective judges. I am Krunali Patil from Dattamegi College of Engineering, third year Civil Department. Today I am doing food decoration. For that we have katuri, green chutney, red chutney, papdi, sabji, and for garnishing, onion, beetroot, carrot, pomegranate, coriander, and of course plate. Let's do the plating.
and that was very amazing and it was looking so delicious. And the best part was that Krunali, you have also included all the ingredients introduction in video itself. That was something unique here.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, so I believe that all the participants have been finished, and this was a very wonderful experience. Even it was in virtual platform medium. I wish this competition was offline so that not only we could see these wonderful dishes, but also we could have got the chance to taste some. But luck is in not in our favor this time. Balls was in lockdown score. But next time, I believe that we are all hoping for this competition to be offline. First time we have all organized it in virtual medium, but that too contestants made this competition a great success. So now I believe that you have might be bored by my voice. So now a little change in voice. I would like to hand over meet to Himanshu Patil for delivering vote of
And hiding it is like wrapping a gift but not giving it. This quote means that take a little time to say few words of thankfulness. So I want to say few words. Thank each and every one of you for being this part of this event. First of all, I would like to extend a sincere thanks to our college management for their support. Thank you so much. Next, I would like to thank our principal, Dr. Sudhir Savakar sir, for always supporting and believing in us. Without his support, this wouldn't have been possible. Special thanks to our respected judges for giving and sharing their precious time with us. I also wish to express my gratitude to all volunteers for beautifully coordinating this event, and also the coordinators who remain behind the curtains. Without those contributions, this event would not have been so successful. Last but not the least, my heartfelt thanks to all the participants who participated in this virtual food decoration competition. Thank you for showing interest in this event and making it a memorable one. This wouldn't have been possible without you all. With these warm words, I hereby declare that competition is over. So thank you all.
Thank you very much, Himanshu. Thank you, Prachi ma'am, Dipti ma'am, and Meera ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. It was awesome.
Thank you all.